Hello all, my name is Nikhil and welcome to Definitive Detailing. Hello all, welcome to the very first episode of Restoring Memories. In this segment, we are going to talk about all the cars that are coming here for restoration या फिर हम लोग कलर चेंज कर रहे हैं या any of the small job that we are doing on the car. आज जो हम गाड़ी के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, this is an Audi A6. ये A6 जो है इन कस्टमर की जिनकी है इनसे हमारा बात चल रहा था. This car is specifically a red color car. The customer was bored with the color because he was using it for the longest time, or he was always wanting a car in blue shade. That's when we had a word. हमने उनको ये recommend किया कि we should go for something on the darker end, which was deep blue. With this, what we recommended was क्योंकि हम गाड़ी को पूरे exterior में काम कर रहे थे, we should be going for the interior paint as well, which meant कि हम लोग पूरा जो concept है उसको invert कर देंगे. In the sense, interior will go black and red in concept. Exterior will go deep blue. Instead of red, we're going to go deep blue. Now talking about the alloy wheels which had come with the car, ये भी एक नया set of alloy wheels था. These were machine cut alloy wheels. But as soon as they were here and the project was about to get completed, हमने जब इस alloy wheel को गाड़ी के ऊपर रखा और देखा, we were not convinced with the final look of the car. That's when we recommended कि सर हम लोग इस चीज़ को let's color it OEM silver. This will make the car look much more on the OEM side. So to which even the customer was convinced कि हाँ ये करना चाहिए. So alloy wheel was painted in silver, interior in red and black concept. इंटीरियर इन रेड एंड ब्लैक कॉन्सेप्ट. इसके साथ ही साथ 3-4 चीज़ और किया हमने टू मेक द कार लुक एंड फील मच मोर रिच फ्रॉम इनसाइड. वॉज फर्स्ट द एम्बियंट लाइट्स ऑन द डोर पैनल्स एज वेल एज द डैशबोर्ड. हमने और एक चीज़ इसमें ऐड किया विच वॉज द स्टार गेजिंग लाइट्स ऑन द रूफ. ये करने के लिए हमने रूफ का जो मेन फैब्रिक होता है ये भी चेंज किया बिकॉज द रूफ फैब्रिक वॉज ग्रेन कलर प्रीवियसली एंड द होल इंटीरियर वॉज गोइंग ब्लैक, सो इवन दैट वॉज चेंज टू ब्लैक. ये करने के बाद वन बिग डिफरेंस इन द इंटीरियर वॉज द गार्निश. जितना भी वुडन फिनिश था गाड़ी में, दिस वॉज अगेन कन्वर्टेड इनटू कार्बन फाइबर फिनिश. दिस वॉज स्पेसिफिकली हाइड्रोडेप. ये सब करने के बाद गाड़ी को पूरा हमने असेंबली किया. असेंबल करने के बाद वी फिनिश द कार एंड ऑल्सो वी इंस्टॉल द बॉडी किट ऑन द कार. टॉकिंग अबाउट द बॉडी किट, द 3 big differences were the front headlight. It made it look absolutely luxurious and very classy. The front complete bumper was changed. Rear में हमने सिर्फ एक tail light का set बदला है. But all of these things compiled together with the deep blue color made it look absolutely rich and classy. And finally, after so many days of working hard on the car, here is the final look. Let's see how it went.
So if you love this video, let us know in the comment section that which part you love, and would you love to see such more amazing content, because recently we did a few full restoration projects, such as we restored a Spark where it was like a 15 years old vehicle. We completely restored it. We recently did a Bullet restoration as well, which was again a 12 or 11 years old bike, and at the same time we did worked on a Honda Brio where we used this new technology of P-label paint. So we have these video lined up for you guys, so if you want to see them, let us know in the comment section. And yeah, and if you want to support us, don't forget to subscribe. That one subscription from you guys will help us a lot, and once you subscribe, don't forget to hit the bell icon as well, so that whenever we post a new video or any other shorts, you will get a notification and you won't miss that video. And yeah, if you have any queries or any doubts regarding your vehicle restoration or regarding ceramic coating, graphene coating, your car servicing, bike servicing, please reach out to us. You can call us on the number which is given in the description, or you can just DM us on Instagram. The Instagram link is also mentioned in the bio. So don't forget to share this video, like this video, and subscribe to our channel. And until the next video, stay adventurous, keep riding, and maintain your vehicles. Bye bye, see you.